We're Llusern Scientific, and we are a spin-out company from the University of South Wales developing affordable, easy-to-use portable molecular diagnostics.
Antimicrobial resistance is an existential threat to humanity, and we thought one of the most important things is that you know what kind of infection you have in order to prescribe the right antibiotics.
The problem as it relates to urinary tract infections, or UTIs, is that UTIs are a really, really common infection, and the symptoms are quite vague. And what happens is people will present with these symptoms, clinician will go, okay, well, let's give you an antibiotic, without really knowing whether that antibiotic was needed. So what we're trying to do is give some evidence to help the clinicians make their treatment decision. So they'll have the patient with their symptoms, but they'll also have our technology, which gives you that evidence in 30 minutes as opposed to 3 days, and allows them to make a more informed treatment decision and hopefully improve antibiotic stewardship.
Essentially, what we have done is take a process that is typically done in a large machine that is expensive and slow and try to turn it into something that's small, fast, and affordable.
This isn't just a problem in the UK. This is a problem globally. And one of the issues with some of the low and middle income countries in particular is that there's not the highly resourced laboratories that we have here in the UK. And we've really tried to think right from the start about the global applicability of our product. Really, we want to see it used in kind of rural clinics where there's not the control over antibiotics that we have here, and perhaps this is an alternative. Give people a good diagnosis and reassure them that they don't have an infection rather than immediately reach for an antibiotic and exacerbate the problem of resistance.